Today we are going to look at how to clean the double layer glass door oven on the outside and inside. And we're going to get something like this. This is a typical double layer glass door convection oven. On the outside and also this particular part on the inside is easy to clean because you can access it. However, the majority of the problem is inside in between these two double layered glass. So let's look at how are we going to open this up and clean it. As you can see, sometimes droplets of water and oil will get into it. Some older ovens, the only way to get access to it is through the vents. However, most modern ovens, you'll be able to open it. So let's go around the frame to look for traces of screws or catch that be able to open the door. So this particular one, you can see there's a catch over here and there's a catch over on the other far side. For this particular model, it is from Electrolux. What you need to do is just to open the catch. If you have some other models, do check around the frame because sometimes the frame is held together by screws. Alright, so for this particular Electrolux one, I just need to loosen this particular catch on the left side and another one on the right side. With that, the glass is now free for you to just lift it off the frame. However, don't lift it too high because the other side, that's a particular catch. You need to slide it out. So slide out the glass and you can remove it from the frame. Once the glass is out, be mindful of the direction of the glass. Although it's reversible, we just want to make sure that it can install back. And now we have a new problem. The glass door won't stay open. Down here on the Electrolux model, you can actually adjust this particular catch and you can hold the door open. The other trick is just to get a block of wood, apply some weight, and now the oven door stays open. Now let's wash the inner glass. I'm just using dish washing detergent. However, this particular one is actually diluted to 15:1. So one portion of dish washing detergent and 15 times of water. Thoroughly wash both sides. The oil and grime stuck to it already, so I have to do it a few times and rinse it and do it a few times again. Now this glass is done. It's oil free and grime free. I'll just put it aside to dry while we tackle the glass on the frame. I'm just going to use the anti-grease designed for ovens and glass and stove. As the oil stains are kind of stubborn, it's harder to use dish washing detergent and water over here. I'll just use the degreaser and wipe it through using paper towel. If you're concerned with the little streaks and lint that's left over, we can use hydrogen peroxide. This one is a diluted version and is food safe, and we can use lint-free paper towel to wipe it clean. Or you can even use alcohol pads. Now, it's looking so much better already. With the other piece of glass dried already, make sure that the catch is open and we're going to install back the glass. Just slide it in and then put it down into place. Fasten the catch, make sure that it's secured and tight. Remove the catch that holds on to the door and we are done. Check that out. And let's compare it to what it was before. Big difference, huh? Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe for more fix hack DIY and put down your comments if you want to see some other fix hack DIY ideas.